simply how to enhance that love, that's also very simple. The Quran also mentions these three faculties. Ears, that's how people say, oh, I want to fall in love with someone, whatever. One of the faculties through which people fall in love is when you have heard about someone. Oh, that person is that car is very good, that house was very beautiful, or have you seen that country, have you seen that woman, whatever. Hearing, they hear about something and you can fall in love by hearing. So this is one faculty. So this means many places you've never been, but you heard about from other people and you like to go there, you like to see them, you like to meet people, So first faculty is that you use your hearing to hear the beauty, the excellence and the favors which the Prophet ﷺ is continuously doing. Hear those, and then that will, because someone saves your life, you have kind of love for them. And this person being saving this dunya and akhirah, if his existence was not here, Allah would have destroyed this dunya. So, now, yes, that's one faculty. Second faculty which you can create or develop love of someone is by seeing. So you can ask someone, oh, why do you love that person? Oh, I saw him, I saw her photo, I saw a film. So this is, once you then can see the asar of the Prophet ﷺ, his blessed Madinatul Munawwarah, his sacred Gumbad, his things, the Quran he gave, the prophetic, the Sunnah, and then if you can visualize his being with features, because in the books it's mentioned so much detail that graphically that you can think about him. And many people in muraqabah, meditation, they can see him in dreams. So when you visualize that, actually also, because the Sahaba Rizwan Majma'in, they say that so many times we've seen the moon, full moon, and Rasulullah ﷺ, there was no comparison. He said we were quite shocked that we'd never seen a person like him, never in our lifetime, a person like him. He was such that we couldn't find any, you may say one thing even, to say, oh, if it was like this of his, from head to toe, his blessed hair, his blessed ears, his blessed eyes were such so beautiful. So seeing, so whatever, if you all the time you're seeing dunya and people and more, their love will come. So it's like you may say switch, you can bring the love of anyone by focusing on them. Third is وَجَعَلَ لَكُمْ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ. That is thought, intellect, imagination, fantasy, imagining. So thinking about someone also create their love. Many people who they saw, let's say, a kingdom or a house or a person or whatever, and then they think about the person, that actually flares up their memory and things. So similarly, thinking about Rasulullah ﷺ, being in the muraqabah, and moreover, once the value, the love of something increases once you spend time, energy, money, effort on something. So once you work on his mission, his love also actually increases. But the simple thing you have asked, the very simply is how everyone falls in love almost, through ears, eyes, or thoughts.